Hey friends, we're going to test something out. Here's this nice double ball staff. Here's this nice pendulum. Now, the weight difference is totally different. I mean, the balance here, it's more even because the balls are the same at either end, and it's a shorter stick, as you can see. And this one is heavier at one end, and so on and so forth. This one is just, especially after we've been training here with the pendulums just in the last few minutes, you know, when I'm doing this, I'm like, wow, that is amazing. That is so cool. I love that. I love these double ball staffs because neurologically they just can't be beat. Digital dexterity, anybody can use them at various ages from younger to older. It's fantastic. Now, pendulum is a more challenging tool in some ways. Now, when you first start off, this is plenty challenging, and to this day, I'm coming up with new things that I do that it's very challenging. However, what about doing them at the same time while walking? I don't know, man. We'll see. Here we go. So. Oh, that's
Oh, yeah.
Neurologically, I feel like I'm two people. That is interesting. Although actually, I've done the double ball staff so much that little bit of extra attention I need to do with the pendulum that I'm less familiar with, I can do. And now it's starting to feel nice and juicy. Yeah, this is nice.
It's looking good.
So it would be, yeah, it would still be this way. Okay, so I'm going right now. I'm even going right backward. I am so impressed.
I am too, totally.
By the way, what you saw me do, folks, was stop and think. And that's a sign of good mind organization, brain organization, that you can give yourself that time to stop and consider. Sometimes we just are trying to get through something, or we don't want to look stupid. The bottom line is the ability to stop, ask questions, reconsider, reposition, hugely important. So there you have it, first time ever for me, pendulum and double ball staff used together. So it is so much fun, and the reason that we can train every single day for now over 13 years is because we keep it creative, we keep it fresh, we stay innovative and improvisational. We are not traditionalists.